Welcome to the Video Edit Suite tutorial series. In this tutorial you will learn how to capture information on your digital videotape from a camera to an iMac via Firewire. Information resides on the tape and must somehow get to the computer. To do this, you will need to connect your DV camera directly to an iMac in the lab. The first step is to connect the camera to the iMac.
You do this by placing the camera into its base, plugging the base into the iMac, and then plugging the base into the mains power. Make sure to connect the mains last, as this will avoid sparks damaging the Firewire ports. Finally, after all the connections have been made, turn on the camera in Play Edit mode.
Next, you must open Final Cut Pro and set it up for capturing. You need to select the folder the footage will be saved to and the format the footage will be saved as.
To select the folder, you must set the scratch disk. You may be prompted to set this on opening Final Cut. If you are, simply select Reset Scratch Disks, click the Set button, and create a folder with your ID number within the Movies folder of the Student Home directory. If you are not prompted to set this on opening Final Cut, simply select System Settings from the Final Cut Pro drop-down to get this menu. In order to set the format, you must select Easy Setup from the Final Cut Pro drop-down. As you are filming in SD, you should choose DV-PAL from this menu.
You are now ready to capture. Good editing practice is to first review your clips and to only capture the segments that you expect to use in your edits. You will either have to log each clip and then capture them as a batch, or capture each clip as you go.
Open the Log and Capture window by navigating to it in the File menu. You can also open it by pressing Command and 8. The play controls can be found in the centre, just under the preview. From left to right, the controls are Rewind, play from the in point to the out point, stop, play pause, play around the current frame, and fast forward. To log a clip, you simply find the start of the usable footage and press the Mark In button, or I on the keyboard, to mark the in point. You then play through the tape until you reach the end of the clip and press the Mark Out button, or O on the keyboard, to mark the out point. To capture this segment at a later stage, click Log Clip and name your clip. Only its timing data is saved. The clip will show up in the media bin with a line through it. This shows that the clip has been logged but not captured. Alternatively, you can save the clip to the disk by pressing Clip under Capture. If a tape has timecode gaps, the logging will fail and you'll need to use the Capture Now button. This captures in real time. To stop recording once the tape has passed your out point, press Enter. To capture the logged clips, you'll have to select them all in the bin, right-click on one of them, and press Batch Capture. This will open the Batch Capture window. Simply click OK in this window to automatically capture all of the clips to the hard drive. You can now disconnect the camera from the iMac. Eject the tape, plug out the base from the mains, and then disconnect the Firewire lead.
Now that you have everything captured, you are ready to edit.
Save your project to the Scratch folder you have created to keep all your files in the same place.
That is the end of this tutorial.